Hello guys, and welcome back to another channel. So you may have noticed that Bitcoin is currently not doing great, and it has been moving sideways since the whole week. So we'll be talking about why that's happening, and currently at the time of recording this video it's gone even lower. So we'll be talking about why that's happening, what's the main reasons, and what's going on with the Bitcoin ETF. So without wasting any more time, before we get into this video, please do make sure you click the thumbs up button and also subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos like this. So let's get right into the video and let's head over to our screen. So we are currently on coinmarket.com, and as you can see, the overall market is down about 3.12%, and most of these are in the red. The some that are in the green are very small numbers, 0.1%, 0.01%. So the overall market is currently in the red. We have gone down in market cap. We're currently at $1.6 trillion. And if we look at Bitcoin, we can see that it's currently trading at around $41,251. Currently at around 0.01% up from the past hour, down about 3.19% in the past 24 hours. And down about 10.65% in the past 24 hours, in the past 7 weeks actually. And let's click on Bitcoin and let's take a look at what's going on in Bitcoin and just a brief look at the graph. So as you can see, 24 hours ago we were trading at around 42,580 something, and then we were going pretty decent for a couple hours, and then we saw this dip. So our daily high was around $42,864, and we were at that level for quite a bit. And then as you can see, at around 11:12 a.m., 10:11:12 is where we started seeing this dip all the way down to around $40,676. So we saw this dip from around 42,746 to around 40,676. So that was more than a $2,000 dip in just a matter of a couple hours. So from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m., just in 5 hours we saw a $2,000 dip in Bitcoin, and then we have been going low ever since. If we look at the weekly graph, we can see that just in the starting of the week we were at $46,000, 140 something, and then we were doing pretty good in the very starting of this week. Then we had this great dump that we can see from around 45,500 all the way even down to about 40,000 something, I believe 41,941. And then as the week went on, we've been trading in the range of around 42,000. And we can see the week is looking pretty flat, no exciting movement in the whole week. And just today we can see we saw this dip all the way down to 40,676. So this was a pretty rough day for Bitcoin right now. And now let's get into the main point of this video, why we made this video, talking about why the Bitcoin price is not fluctuating as much, is not seeing the great bull trend that we are supposed to see. So let's head over to this article. So this article reads, Grayscale bought Bitcoin for a decade, then became its #1 seller overnight. So Grayscale has been buying Bitcoin for over a decade now and continuously buying, but in just the past 24 hours it has become the #1 seller overnight. The most sold Bitcoin were by Grayscale just in the past 24 hours. And as you can see, it says the world's largest Bitcoin fund, Grayscale's GBTC, once a Pac-Man-like entity, instability hovering up Bitcoin when GBTC was a trust trading on OTC markets. It had no mechanism for retail investors to sell any of its Bitcoin holdings. For a full decade, GBTC gradually acquired more and more Bitcoin, cresting a staggering net asset value of around $30 billion earlier this month. Then on January 10th, everything changed when the SEC approved GBTC conversion into the ETF. For the first time in history, GBTC began systematically selling Bitcoin. What's more, it wasn't the choice of any Grayscale trader to sell. Selling was a requirement. As an ETF fund manager, Grayscale must ensure that GBTC shares price track the price of Bitcoin. So we can see more and more on this article. The article keeps going, but if we look at one of these tweets for a more better look, we can see 40 minutes ago, 18,638 Bitcoin, around $798 million worth of Bitcoin was transferred from the Grayscale Trust address to Coinbase Prime. Since the adoption BTC Spot Bitcoin ETF, the Grayscale Trust address has transferred a total of 31,638 Bitcoin, around 1.366 billion, to Coinbase Prime during the opening hours of the stock market. So we can see these huge numbers of Bitcoin getting transferred to Coinbase Prime, getting ready to be sold. So Grayscale is selling a lot of Bitcoin. So as you can see, the numbers have even gone in the billions, and we can see huge selling pressure by Grayscale. Now this isn't a huge deal because most of the Bitcoin getting sold right now is heading over to other ETFs such as BlackRock's ETF, and we can see BlackRock buying back most of the Bitcoin that is currently being sold. So that's why the price is kind of going sideways and it's not moving in any certain motion. So Grayscale does have a lot of selling pressure on the market right now because of these huge Bitcoin transfers from Grayscale to other ETFs. And one of the main reasons for this is because of Grayscale's fees. So Grayscale's fees are a lot higher than other firms like BlackRock. So Grayscale has a fee around 1.5% and BlackRock has a fee of around 0.25%. So that is a great difference, a big difference. That's why people are transferring their ETF from Grayscale to BlackRock, and that is why it has caused a lot of selling pressure on Grayscale. So that was pretty much it for this video, guys. In this video we talked about why the price of Bitcoin is currently going sideways. It's not seeing the huge bullish momentum after the ETF. So in this video we went totally over that. And if you are new to this channel, please do make sure to check out other videos like this where I create long form content informing you about the latest news of any cryptocurrency. And I also do daily crypto live streams on this channel, talking about any recent price movements, any recent news, or anything latest in the crypto community. So I do that daily, so do make sure to check those out too. And if you like this video, please click the thumbs up button and also drop a comment down below of what type of videos I should create. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So that was it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.